All right, let's finish up here. As we can see here, we've just created a new fill layer that was our hue saturation layer. So let's create another one. Let's create another fill adjustment layer. Come down here and let's fill it with a curves one. What we're going to do is we're going to have to kind of auto shape this one to come out how we want it to. I want to really give it a little bit of a, get it to stand out just a little bit more. Let's see, and of course on your picture, depending on how you've colorized or which colors you've used, it's going to be different for you. And this one's really not popping like I want it to. Actually, let's just cancel out of that. Let's do it again. So on our new curves layer, like so. Actually, what we're going to do is we'll just do it like this. I kind of like the effects of this. That looks pretty good there. So I'm going to hit OK. And it's lightened it up a bit for me, so I'm going to be able to use that. So, what we're going to do is we're going to come over here. Let's hit Select, Color Range, and Sample Color. Let's sample the black, which seems to be OK. And we're going to set our fuzziness. Let's set it down a bit. Set around to our low tens, like so. Actually, you know what? I'm going to leave it where it was at. 39 sounds good. Hit OK. There we go. You can see it's selected everything within our black range, like so. And let's open up a new layer, or choose a new layer. And we'll pause right here and pick this up in the next section.